Hi everyone, I am Dr. B. Vinmayil. Today we are going to see components of linguistics. Before learning the components of linguistics, it is must to know what is a language. Language is a tool for communication. Only human beings amidst the living things in this world can communicate through words. Birds, animals make sounds to communicate. Human beings utter words, meaningful sentences to express their thoughts and feelings. So, a language is a system of sounds, words, patterns used by humans to communicate thoughts and feelings. It is very much specific to a particular country and language. It serves as a tool to communicate between people of similar practices, people belonging to a particular region. So, it's a system of communication in which a certain set of sounds and written symbols are used for writing and speaking. Next, what is linguistics? If language is a tool to communicate, linguistics is the scientific study of the tool. Next, it studies also the way in which the language functions as a communication medium. Remember, we have verbal and non-verbal communication too. Sign languages, gestures, they communicate better than words too sometimes. But this linguistics make a systematic study of the way in which a language functions as a better communication medium among the human beings. These are all the components of linguistics that can be associated with the various areas in a language. Phonetics, it is a study of speech sounds. Phonology, it deals with the sound systems in a language. Thirdly, morphology. It deals with the words and their structure. Whereas syntax deals with the grammatical structures of sentences in a language. Semantics, of course, it deals with meaning. We can see each component in a detailed way in the second part of the video. Thank you for your watching.